Hello, my lovely viewers. How are you? I hope you are doing well. This is KR Bhardwaj. I always welcome you to my YouTube channel, Font of English Education, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we are going to learn about reciprocal pronouns. This is the 15th video of pronoun. A quick recall what we have learned about pronouns in this channel. We learned about personal pronouns, interrogative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, distributive pronouns and relative pronouns as well. In the very last two videos we learned about indefinite pronouns. Okay, indefinite pronouns. What are indefinite pronouns? If you haven't watched previous videos, please go to the description and watch. The links of all videos have been given in the description. So let's start learning about reciprocal pronouns. Okay, what are reciprocal pronouns? Reciprocal pronouns are used to point out mutual understanding. Okay, reciprocal pronouns are used to point out mutual understanding and mutual relationship. So there are two reciprocals. Only there are two reciprocal pronouns. Okay, first is each other. Each other, and second one is one another. Guys, point to be noted. Only two pronouns. Okay, there are only two pronouns. Okay, reciprocal pronouns and English grammar. So here each other and one another. Guys, each other is used for two person, two things, and two, guys, you can say two animals. Okay, each other is used for two. I hope you understood. It is used for two. When we talk about one another, it is used for more than two. Okay, you can say three or more. Three or more. Okay, three or more people or thing, more than two. Each other is used for two, and one another is used for three or more people or things. There is, okay, this is the difference between these two reciprocal pronouns. Each other is used, I repeat, each other is used for two people or things, and when we talk about one another is used for three or more people or things. Suppose we are two friends, Rohan and I. We help each other. Okay, for two we use each other. When we talk about one another, it is used for more than three people or things. Suppose we are five people. Okay, we are five friends. We help one another, not each other. With the help of examples, I will explain you each and everything. So let me write some examples. Have a look at the word. Here are some examples. Both the brothers love each other and one another. So both, as you know, both stands for two. So here for two, we use each other. Each other is used for two. Each other stands for two people or things. So here, both the brothers love each other will be the correct answer, not one another. One another is used for more than three people or things. Indians should not fight with each other, or Indians should not fight with one another. So guys, we are talking about Indians. Okay, according to 2024 census, India's population is 145 billions. So we are talking about 145 billion people. Okay, I'm sorry, 145 billion people, not billions people. So if you say, I hope you know about, when a noun is used as an adjective, so we don't make them plural. I explained each and everything in noun chapter. 2 dozen bananas. Okay, 2 dozens. We can say, okay, 5 mangoes. 5 kg mangoes, kilogram mangoes. Okay, we don't say 5 kilograms mangoes. No. 5-star hotel. Correct? 5 stars. Correct? We don't say 5 stars hotel. I explained each and everything in noun chapter. If you haven't watched, Okay, please go to the homepage of the channel and watch. There is a separate playlist of noun. So here 145 billion people. Okay, we are talking about 145 billion people should not fight with each other and one another. Okay, one another is used for more than 3 people. Here we are talking about 145 million people. So not each other. Each other stands for two people or things. One another stands for more than two people or things. It could be 5, 10, 100, million, thousand, whatever you want to say. He and I looked at each other, and he and I looked at one another. So here one each other, not one another. Each other is used for two people or two things. Here we are talking about two, he and I. Guys, point to be noted here. Okay, first pronoun is he, second is I. We are talking about two. In this case we use each other, not one another. So guys, I hope you know about sequence of pronoun, the order of pronoun. When two or more different pronouns are used together in a sentence, we use them in a sequence 1 2 3 and 2 3 1. Okay, when do we use 1 2 3 and when do we use them? Okay, when do we write them 2 3 1? I explained each and everything. If you are my continue, if you are my regular viewers, so you know very well about it. Okay, this concept I explained thoroughly. If you haven't watched those videos, please go to the description and watch. He and I looked at each other, not one another. 6 girls are shouting at one another and each other. One another is used for more than 3 people or things. Each other is used for 2 people. Here we are talking about 6 girls. Okay, 6 girls are shouting at one another, not each other. The couple spoke each other and one another. Couple means two. Okay, we are talking about a pair. Okay, and 2 people. The couple spoke each other. Oh, sorry, one. Yes, each other, not one another. Okay, as you know, couple means 2 people, one woman and one man. Okay, the couple spoke each other, not one another. All of them love each other. Okay, one another. Which one? All of them love each other and all of them love one another. All stands for more than 3 people or things. All means all stands for many out of many. I hope you know about it. I explained each and everything about all, many, each, either, neither, none, okay, both, some, all of them. So it's a distributive use of, okay, distributive pronoun. Okay, distributive use of all of them, all are happy. So all means all distributive pronoun and as an indefinite pronoun. I explained each and everything in the video of distributive pronoun and indefinite pronoun. Okay, if you haven't watched, please check playlist. Okay, links have been given in the description. Check playlist and check description. I'm so sorry. Check description. Links have been given in the description. All of them love each other on one another. Okay, we have to say one another, not each other. One another will be the correct answer because we talk about all. All stands for more than 3 people or things. Okay, all, many out of many. I hope you understood. I repeat, both of the brother love each other. Both is used for 2 people or things. So okay, when we talk about each other stands for 2 people or things. One another, no. Okay, more than 2 or 3 people or things. Indians should not fight with one another. Okay, we are talking about Indians. Indian population 145 billion. Okay, he and I looked at each other, not one another. We are talking about he and I. Here are two people. 6 girls are shouting at one another, not each other. One another stands for more than 3. We are talking about 5 girls. The couple spoke each other, one another, each other. Couple, okay, consists of 2 people. All of them love each other and one another. All of them love one another. Okay, we are talking about all stands for okay, many out of many, more than 3, 5 out of 5, 10 out of 10, 50 out of 50, 100 out of 100. I hope you understood. Okay, in the next slide we will learn about use of each other and one another. In formal English, each other and one another is used for, okay, each other it can be used for more than 2, and one another can be used for 2 people or things. How? Let me write. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take. Have a look at the board. Here is a sentence. Rohan and Mary love each other. Rohan and Mary love one another. Which one is correct? You will say, sir, this one is correct. Okay, Rohan and Mary love each other. Each other stands for 2 people or things, and when we talk about one another stands for more than, okay, 3 people or things. But guys, point to be noted, when we talk about informal English, both the sentences are correct, because some writer use them equally, okay, each other and one another equally. Okay, this is a part of informal English. Okay, but when we talk about competitive examination point of view, Rohan and Mary love each other will be the correct answer, and Rohan and Mary love one another will be an incorrect sentence. Okay, I'm talking about informal English. Informal English is used in magazine, newspaper, etc, etc. You will see this type of sentence, okay, in newspaper, in magazine. Rohan and Mary love one another can be used in formal English. I repeat, when we talk about competitive examination point of view and formal English, in this case we have to use Rohan and Mary love each other, not one another. I repeat this rule, okay? Each other stands for 2 and one another stands for more than 3 people or things. More than 2 people or things. You can say 3 or more people or things. This rule can be crossed when we talk about informal English. When it comes to formal English, in this case, each other stands for 2 people or things. One another stands for more than 2 or more things and people. I hope you understood. I repeat, Rohan and Mary love each other and Rohan and Mary love one another. Both the sentences are correct when we talk about informal English. I would love to finish this video over here. If you have found this video helpful, please don't forget like, subscribe and share. I will see you soon in the next video. In the next video, we will learn about reflexive pronoun. I'm looking forward to meeting you in that video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Have fun. Keep practicing.